Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Corner. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: Tangem versus Arculus Wallet. Which one is the better crypto storage solution in 2025? If you're into cryptocurrencies, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets safe from hackers and evolving threats. Let's break this down step by step so you can make an informed decision. First up, Tangem Wallet. This bad boy is a compact, credit card-sized hardware wallet that's all about simplicity and security. It uses advanced chip technology to store your private keys offline, making it resistant to online attacks. In 2025, with quantum computing on the rise, Tangem's focus on robust encryption could be a game changer. Pros include its portability. You can slip it in your wallet, and easy setup, even for beginners. On the downside, it might not have as many app integrations, so if you're tech-savvy, you could miss out on advanced features. Now, let's talk Arculus Wallet. This one's a bit more high-tech, with a physical key and a companion mobile app that adds layers of convenience. Arculus emphasizes biometric security, like fingerprint or face recognition, which is perfect for quick access on the go. In 2025, its seamless connectivity with smartphones and evolving blockchain networks makes it a strong contender. The upsides are its user-friendly interface and expanded compatibility, but it can be pricier and more reliant on your device's battery life, which might be a con if you're always on the move. So, how do they stack up? For security, both are top tier, but Tangem might have the edge with its fully offline design, ideal for maximum protection. When it comes to ease of use, Arculus wins hands down thanks to its app ecosystem. Price-wise, Tangem is generally more affordable, around $100 versus Arculus's $150 or more. And in 2025, with new regulations and tech advancements, Tangem could be better for beginners seeking simplicity, while Arculus suits power users who want more control. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your needs. If you're prioritizing portability and basic security, go with Tangem. For advanced features and integration, Arculus is your pick. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details, and let me know in the comments which one you're using. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.